So I'm trying to do two things at the same time, and I'm recording my podcast and I'm recording a live here. So probably I'll concentrate on that one mostly. Nakarati ko na yan na. Kanagadi. Oh. Noisy chair. Anywho, now we can start. By the way, this product scented candles, I also have this one, but it's not work. I won't light it now. Oh yeah. You know, it can bring that nice cool effect, but it would be very nice if it was dark, right? But it's bringing the scent, so well and good. Anyway, Anyway, hi guys, my name is Julius Wanjiro and welcome to Vastril Podcasts. It's been a while now since we did this. Sometimes life doesn't add up the way we want. But that's not a good excuse. It's all about discipline. Otherwise, today I wanted us to talk about the project being yourself. And lately I was asking myself, now what do I do when it comes to content creation? And now that I'm serious with the YouTube thing, and also I want to start new businesses, I want to do new ventures, and I was asking myself, now what is it that what is that content that I want to really concentrate on? And then I was like, what is it that I love to do? Because at some point, when it comes to this podcast, I feel like I was not ready. Sometimes I feel like this content is not worthy. Like I'm not ready. How do I do it? I am not, especially when it comes to camera, I'm really not giving it the serious, there are those podcasts you can see, like even the eye contact, the content itself, like it's high-end stuff. And then I remembered, this is just the start. This is just the start, and when you're starting something, when something is getting to, as in when you're starting something, you never start from a high point. Like if it is this podcast or this YouTube thing, there's no way you can just you just come in and one day you're just viral, or you're just perfect from the word go. It always build up one day at a time. So I was just telling myself, now how do I tell people to subscribe? And then I remembered is There are people who will just believe in you, and those are your people. And as you grow, other people or other angels will come and join you. If it is a community that you're building, you cannot start with thousands and thousands of people. You have to start from the people around you, anybody you talk to. In coming years, even if it is 1 year or 2 years, you won't be where you are, because I was looking at my subscribers and then 45 and I need to go to 1,000. Or it's a new business that I'm doing and new skills that I'm trying to do when it comes to video editing, poster making, and I'm finding them very messy. And then I just remembered, there is no way you can start something and be perfect at it. You have to give yourself time. You have to be messy. You have to be okay with being messy and continue doing it. So today I cannot feel shy to tell my friends to subscribe, to tell even strangers to subscribe to this channel or to check out my content creation, because every single day, every single month, if I continue doing, I am learning a new thing every time. So for the ones who are asking, where do I get the content? I do it whatever you are doing, whether you're in the shamba, whether you're cooking, because I have seen I have so many elements in my life. I can be baking. That's still a niche I can do. I can be a farmer sarcastically, but probably my own farming, just not the serious one. So we have a lot to do. So anyway, for the live thing, I'm just doing my own podcast. That's why I cannot concentrate on the live feeds. But thank you for the likes and everything. I actually wouldn't even cut it off. It's actually interesting. I would have asked for questions and doing this, but it is my first time. So let's keep on doing this, and each and every day we will get to learn new stuff. Thank you for joining. Karibuni sana. Let's do this. Please subscribe. Just support me, and I will be. I didn't talk about my candles, and let's talk about candles now. The way they make this room scented. It's like perfume. These ones are scented candles by Bodlux. She's my good friend of mine. They're really making my room feel fresh. So please, anywhere you are, you can talk to her. They are called her Instagram account is Bold Lux. They're very nice. They're just classic. And they are actually they also beautify your room. Anyway, away from that, I just remembered another thing is the different elements in life. Sometimes when you're starting something, I don't know how to explain it. I just felt like when somebody is starting, even when women are giving birth, it is just a messy thing. It is not something that is beautiful or spectacular. So I know there are so many people who want to start something, even in business, even in anything. Don't feel bad for not knowing. Just do it. Tomorrow you'll get to know another thing. And away from that, I just remembered I love reading. It's called Poshi reading. I actually wanted to start a book club, and since I don't get the real people to do that, and I don't get the vibe, but I guess it's because I don't do it. So I guess I'm gonna do it here on my channel. We'll be meeting here and read some book. I would really, especially the romantic ones. The right now I don't have a good book, like a romance book, but there's this book called 11 Minutes by Paul Coelho. Guys, that one we're going to start with it, or whichever we will start, but I guess we're gonna call it a book club or a book session, kinda. Still on a playlist on YouTube. So anyway, I guess right now I don't care how things are, or I don't care how I do things. I don't know how to do things. I am not actually good when it comes to camera and talking. I will say right now I'll be on my element. Whatever that I'm doing, I'll just be on my element. If I love reading books, we will be reading books, and we will be doing that content as just me and in my own element. So even if it is just messy, even if it is just not the right one, just keep up and we will grow. And the next time we're doing farming, it will be nice drones, and because we will continue investing in this. Anyway, keep it up and continue supporting on my channel. Thank you very much. And we still have we're still doing a live on TikTok. The humble one. Hi, humble one. Thank you for liking the video. Thank you for liking the live. Thank you so much. Thank you. Mombi, I can see Mombi. Can see people just liking them. Thank you very much. Anyway, let's keep growing. Let's keep one another. Let's keep on building each other. Thank you for joining. Karibuni sana. Let's do this. Please subscribe. Just support me, and I will be a very happy man. Thank you so much.